Okay, a couple of things that I wanted to go over. I'm actually editing the video that you are about to watch. So while I was editing, I seen a few things that I thought I should call attention to. The first thing is that this location is absolutely immaculate. It is gorgeous. It has so much architecture to work with and just views in general. Now, if you want to know where this location is, it is in Houston. It's called Post Houston. And from what I hear, it is actually a former post office that they have renovated and turned into this nice place where you can eat and just enjoy views all around. Yeah, I believe it's a great place. So definitely check it out. Now, the second thing is that this is actually not my photo shoot. So a lot of the shots you will see, I am kind of like a second shooter and just getting the shots that I can. A few times you'll see me actually get in there and get a few main shots, but for the most part, I'm kind of playing off of someone else. So you'll be able to see that inside the video. The third thing, off-camera flash is, I won't say prohibited, but when you start to bring light stands, things of that nature, that's when security starts to get on you. So it's more of a natural light scenery, which you'll see a lot of me doing, a lot of natural light. But I do think you can get away with a on-camera flash. And so you'll see me use my Godox V1 quite a bit up until I go outside, and I strategically use the Godox AD200 outdoors because it just was so bright outdoors. I needed a little extra kick. So I believe if you be discreet, you don't have a lot of gear, you know, carrying wagons, light stands, and then you want to put up a big softbox with an AD600. If you don't have all of that and you want to go to this location, I believe you will be okay. You start putting up light stands, modifiers, I think security will shut it down. So just keep that in mind, be discreet. Those are the things that came to me immediately as I was making this video for you guys. Just wanted to let you all know. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. What is going on? We are going to walk you through this setup. See here, like I mentioned, used to be a post office and it has this industrial look. And in this particular spot, I could not let this shot go because you had kind of this dark area and it had a sunlight coming in that spot, so you got kind of a spotlight type of feel with this particular shot, and it was all natural light. Now of course it's a high angle, so you're gonna get a lot of shadows, but it still made for a great. What I really noticed when I got low was that I was getting a reflection from the floor as well, so I wanted to capitalize on that with the shot that I got. There was a lot of natural light coming in through the top of the building because the top has a view that you can actually check out. And so you can actually see that natural light coming from the opposite side. Now, as I mentioned, I am kind of a second shooter, so you will see me getting different types of angles, and I'm actually shooting off of someone else with most of these shots. But I did end up liking the shots that I did get. Now, the transition between the highlights and the shadows were kind of hard, but it kind of added to the aesthetic with this grungy type of look in this industrial place with kind of a harder type of light coming in. And so I really did end up liking these shots. And of course, this is the model's phone, so I was helping her out getting some B-roll because, you know, reels are a thing nowadays, so they try to get BTS of their shoots, and so I wanted to help her out with that. Now with this next setup, I had a brilliant idea. I wanted to get a silhouette since she was heavily backlit. But when I got the shot, it wasn't really the composition. I love the composition. I love the shot. But for me, I am a mathematical person. So that is what comes to my head immediately. And this shot lacked symmetry. That pillar just messed up the shot that I really wanted it. So I went to the next thing. I said, okay, let's get a backlit shot right here because we can get some symmetry with this architecture. Now I had the 35 and that just wasn't going to work. I would have needed a fisheye lens. So I went to the next thing. You weren't supposed to use off-camera flash. So I tried to use my on-camera flash. And this is exactly what I needed. Most of the time when you have a backlit situation, your subject is going to be in shadow. So you get that flash just to add that pop to your subject, and there you have it. This particular place offered a lot of reflections, and so in terms of being creative with your shot, using reflections, that can make your image go to the next level. And so even through the video, you could see where the reflection was coming. So I wanted to take advantage of that reflection and get kind of a double persona.
It is hot right now. We are trying to take cover. Hopefully that cloud comes back up. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have a couple, maybe a minute or so once this cloud comes back.
This scenery was calling for AD200. See, I have my personal light stand holder. We were trying to be discreet but also get the shot. Now it was very busy in the background, as you can see. Now I could have did 1.4, but I opted for 4.5 because I wanted the detail of the buildings and just knew that I was going to have to take in that this was a very highly populated area. Now some Photoshop magic may still be able to get the people out of the background, but if not, I'm still happy with the view, the scenery that I was able to capture. Now I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave comments down below. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you would like to see. T to the M to the IDD. Until the next video, peace.